Hyperliquid may fall 5.3% tomorrow, according to crypto predictions. But first, let's take a quick look at what's happening right now. Hyperliquid has seen a 1.9% dip over the last day and is now trading near $63.84. Now, let's hear today's analyst opinions. Crypto Predictions expects the price to trend lower towards $60.42 by tomorrow. That's a projected drop of 5.3%. Traders Union foresees Hyperliquid heading for $62.55, roughly 1.9% beneath the current price. CoinLore points out it could weaken to $63.60, a move lower of approximately 0.3%. Another outlook from CoinCodex highlights Hyperliquid may head higher to $64.56, a rise close to 1.2%. And lastly, Gulf Capital Collector expects a rise to $69.39 by June 28, 8.8% up from now. This one delivers the best profit estimate. That's all 5 perspectives. Let's go ahead. Lining up the predictions, here's what they suggest. Based on the range of expectations presented, the price could be anywhere between a drop of 5.3% and a gain of 8.8%, depending on the analyst. So in the end, Gulf Capital Collector has the top forecast with 8.8% gain in value by tomorrow. As a result, you might end up with between $3 and $88 for every $1,000 you invest. With volatility factored in, CoinLore's forecast carries a 98.5% probability of hitting the target. Looking at the full set of 5 forecasts, I've worked out a combined scenario. The consensus baseline sets Hyperliquid close to $64.11 with no major move. Here are the details. Based on the consensus view, the price is expected to increase by 0.5% by tomorrow. As a result, your capital might also rise by roughly 0.5%. If you applied $1,000 here, it could show around $5 in return. And in this case, the probability attached to the consensus projection for Hyperliquid is about 98.3%. As we continue, let's check what analysts expect over the 3-day horizon. Crypto Predictions indicates that prices could dip further. A bearish outlook is additionally projected by Traders Union, pointing to a decline. Likewise, CoinLore expects Hyperliquid to head lower. Additionally, CoinCodex suggests bearish momentum will dominate. The near-term outlook stressed by Gulf Capital Collector is clearly bullish. Consensus analysis highlights Hyperliquid on a negative course for the coming 3 days. In total, 80% of analysts point to a downward direction for Hyperliquid. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were made. Let's check which ones matched the move. In the end, the trading session closed at $64.40. Just one forecast had the correct read on direction. Closest match to the market came from CoinLore. Time to line things up. Yesterday's move showed 3 forecasts inside. As for ROI, a few forecasts showed profits, with Crypto Predictions leading the way. And now comes the recap. All forecasts compared side by side. In the summary, digital coin price shows $5.4 accuracy, 68.8% forecast probability, and minus 0.8% ROI. Take a moment to notice who stayed most in sync with the market. Now you'll see how tomorrow's forecasted gains differ between Hyperliquid and several other coins. Hyperliquid falls behind with Cosmos leading the table at 7.9%. This quick view includes 5 cryptocurrencies, and broader cross-asset forecasts are now live on my website. If you like getting quick, time-saving updates on forecasts, hit like and subscribe to stay tuned. Have a good one!